Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious deviled egg sandwich using an easy method. This classic comfort food is perfect for a quick lunch or a delightful snack. You'll only need a few simple ingredients that you likely already have in your kitchen. We'll start by gathering 6 hard-boiled eggs, some creamy mayonnaise, a touch of mustard, and a few basic seasonings. Get ready to create a truly satisfying meal in just a few minutes. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's prepare the eggs. First, gently peel the 6 hard-boiled eggs. It's important to be careful to keep them intact. Once peeled, place all the eggs into a medium mixing bowl. Using a fork, mash the egg whites and yolks together until they reach a consistent, crumbly texture. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect deviled egg consistency for your sandwich filling. With your eggs mashed, it's time to add the creamy elements and seasonings. Incorporate 2 generous tablespoons of your favorite mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard into the mixture. These ingredients provide the signature tang and richness. Next, season with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper. For a beautiful finish and a hint of warmth, stir in a dash of paprika. Mix everything until well combined and creamy. Finally, it's time to assemble your incredible deviled egg sandwich. Take your favorite bread, whether it's white, whole wheat, or a hearty sourdough, and spread a generous amount of the creamy deviled egg mixture onto one slice. For an extra layer of freshness and crunch, you can add some crisp lettuce leaves or a slice of ripe tomato. Place the second slice of bread on top, and your delicious sandwich is ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately for the best experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.